I've created a dynamic, informative, free workshop this Wednesday at 10 a.m. Central Time. And this workshop will be a mini experience of what it's like in my 12-week mindfulness accelerator program. I will introduce essential teachings of the Unwinding Compass to help you unlock new ways of thinking and transform how you think about the changes happening in your life and around you. There will also be a short breathwork practice that'll help elevate your mood, sharpen mental clarity, promote relaxation, and unlock creativity. This will be a collaborative, highly appreciative group experience that's purposeful and interactive, meant to be fun, enjoyable, and inclusive. You'll gain real-time experience with the Unwinding Compass that you can start using immediately, helping you tap into talents and gifts you might have forgotten. Things like approaching life with curiosity and appreciation, tapping into your inner sense of calm, knowing how to center yourself, or attuning to feelings and sensations for deeper insight. You value balance in your life and the time and space to enjoy it. Or personal growth is an essential aspect of your desired life, and you want your resilience to inspire confidence in others to overcome their challenges. Join us this Wednesday by clicking the link below.